Well, I put him into custody, but I know I told him I was going to take a look at that on the remand into custody on it, because it came as a result of a police report regarding something else happening.
It was because there is a new case that is coming down the pipe, to which Miss Blanche said that the warrant was going to be authorized that day. It hasn't been arraigned on that new charge yet, however, but the two ones that he was in front of your honor for last week for PCC are set for exam, both cases in front of Judge Burke on October 8th.
He was supposed to then be arraigned on the other case, but that case was supposed to get, there was supposed to be a timing on that case to get down. So I remanded him. He was going to be held on these cases, on the ones that are set for exam. And then that other case was going to come down, expected that he might be in on that case. But if that case hasn't come down, I'm not going to be very happy right now.
But the two cases that are already set for exam in front of Judge Burke, currently his bond is $15,000 on each of those cases.
Correct. I get that. What?
You raised it was a PI bond and you raised it up.
I put it up because of the representation of these other cases, but those other cases were supposed. What's the status of that other case?
Your Honor, absolutely. For the people on behalf of talk about these other matters. So if I'm reading this correctly, other cases was a resisting and obstructing case that was supposed to be coming down. Is that, Ms. Page, is that correct?
I don't think that was, it was involving a car accident and some other stuff.
I don't know the exact charges that were to be authorized, but I know the incident date was before the ones that are currently set for exam.
Right.
That being said, I
know.
Yeah.
Listen. Where is that case? Because my problem here is that, and Mr. Lee is certainly not always the most cooperative person in the world, and he knows that. But he got remanded because his other case was coming down.
Correct.
And so I'm trying to, and I think there was a representation that it had been signed off or it was someplace, and the expectation was that case was going to get sworn out. While in custody, he'd be arraigned, and then there would be, based upon the facts of that case, a bond set that was likely or may have, I can't say for sure, may have kept him in custody, which is why I did what I did.
That was my understanding, Your Honor.
I just need a little bit more information.
Go look.
So I want to understand, Mr. Lee was last before the court for PCCs. The court is saying on the 26th or the 18th.
I think it was a week ago, wasn't it? I think it was
the 20th.
I think it was the 26th. He was before me.
I have some help helping right now. So the new case, which does appear to be related to fleeing and eluding charges, dated incident 8/29/9/20 to 9/2. It appears that case was authorized, signed by my office on 9/26. And I don't see.
That's what was indicated to the court on the record, that it was signed off on 9/26. But then there was a representation that it was going to get sworn to. It was signed off by your office. I think that's what was represented to me. It was going to get sworn to so that Mr. Lee could be arraigned on it.
My understanding is that Magistrate Fink signed that case on September 30th. It is likely.
Well, then why hasn't he been arraigned?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. It may be in a stack of things that are waiting to be entered. That's been happening.
Oh.
I don't
know. No, that will not happen. Miss.
Can you tell me what the jurisdiction is?
Yes.
No, it's not.
It's Ypsilanti City. It's Ypsilanti City.
It's a city case.
No,
it's a sheriff's office. It's a sheriff's office arrest that occurred in Ypsilanti City.
I show with the 14B.
Okay, so it's on the line. It said the swear out was on the 30th.
Each officer.
Oh, really?
Yes, that helps.
So, whoa. Is that what the log notes indicate?
Yes,
So there are no charges?
correct. It says court does not find probable cause.
Okay. It's full? Oh, that's what it says?
Yes.
So there is no case?
Can I confirm the police report number for that?
Yeah, I have it all.
Washtenaw County Sheriff's Department report number 24-67821.
I have 68821. I don't know if that's a typo, but
And?
I'm checking with felony.
Yes, and while you're checking with them, have me bring them Mr. Lee's other two cases that are set for the 8th. Immediately. That's the last one I have, Chris.
No.
Okay, let's, Mr. Lee,
Yes.
that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have them take you back,
Okay.
and what
All right.
court does, I haven't sent this yet, right?
You did not.
Okay, I took the plea, but he didn't send it. All right. Court calls case, People versus Billy Pauling.
Ashley Long for people.
Court recalls case, People versus Don Lee. I am calling the felony manager.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Lee, who stands to my right, please state your name again for the record, sir.
Don Lee.
And I'm calling so that we're clear,
It was 1322 and 24-1261.
the felony matters.
Ashley Long for the people in both of those matters.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate, with and on behalf of Mr. Lee, who stands to my right.
I still have to sentence him on the driving well or the operating well. So we've taken a look at it. That complaint that I put Mr. in custody on was not, there was no probable cause found. And so that was not done. And I'm going to say this. They knew the reason. Mr. Lee understood what I was doing and putting me in custody. The prosecutor's office, I think, was given the representation made to this court, was under an obligation to contact this court immediately upon notification that those charges were not brought, knowing that that affected Mr. Lee's liberty. And I'm not happy that I wasn't contacted at all. Anything you want to say before I sentence him on his misdemeanor?
Nothing further, Your Honor. I would just reiterate his request to be sentenced to time served on that misdemeanor.
Fines and costs of $250. Those fines and costs are waived in their entirety. 90 days suspended on that case. With reference to his felony matters, those will continue to preliminary examination on October 8th before Judge Burke. Bond on those cases, both will be set at personal recovery. The conditions will remain. They never left. It's just they took his liberty on something that didn't get authorized. You're going to be free to go.
I'm going home today.
You're going to be let out, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Court's going to stand in recess.
All rise. Thank you, Your Honor. The 14th District Court for County of Washtenaw, State of Michigan is now back in session. The Honorable Judge J. Sutton to preside.
Has the state prosecutor left?
I think so.
She needs to get back in here because I'm going back on the record on Mr. Lee. I don't know who else has that case. You may be seated, folks. At 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
I want her here because I need a message gotten to that office right away.